I currently work at Phillips Exeter Academy. This is my 11th year at the school. And I can tell you that some of the mental health concerns we're seeing with students are far more acute and severe than when I first started this job. Our young people are coming in to high school having already met with counselors in the past. When I first started this job, I might be the first counselor ever to be introduced to the young person. It might be the first time that I'm talking to the student and their family about potentially adding psychotropics into our care. But more and more, I'm hearing students that started their mental health journey even back in middle school, maybe even elementary school, that their first touch point with counselor was much, much younger. That some of our students are coming to high school having already been started on psychotropics. And so to me, that's a notable difference and a notable trend. Part of that, I think, is because as a society, we're much better at talking about social emotional needs. As a society, we're better at measuring um, mental health needs. So we're able to talk about it better, we're measuring it more, but also there's a higher need. As an institution that we receive students from middle school and elementary school, we're also noticing that some of the interpersonal skills that we might expect that kids might enter high school with are just not there right now. So as a result, we're seeing more social conflicts. We're seeing difficulty managing and regulating emotions. We're also having students who just can't name their emotions and be able to talk about emotions. It just hasn't been a skill that's been addressed when they're younger.